couple of our friends are heading north a couple of hours fishing, drone fishing. So my car is at the mechanic getting a few things fitted and a clutch plate replacement. So I can't, drive it. Can't put it in fifth at the moment for until the clutch has worn in. I can't forward drive with it. So I have spoken to Dylan's parents. They were home. I rung up and I've ducked out there and picked up Dylan's car. So I'm in Dylan's car for this trip, and we'll call him in a minute. Hello.
What is happening, brother?
What is happening? So I'm driving up the freeway.
Oh yeah, where you headed?
Luke and D-Water going fishing in Jurien, just before Jurien.
Oh yeah, that's right, it's Luke's birthday, eh?
Yeah, so I'm making the trek. Last minute decision it was, obviously, because my car's in getting the clutch fixed.
What, so you're taking Misha's car?
No, not quite.
What do you mean?
So,
are they full driving?
Yeah, they're on the beach. So I rang your mum and dad, and they were home. So I was like, is Dylan's car available and his keys there? So, bro, I'm driving to Jurien in your car right now.
Oh, mate. At least you got to put a full tank of fuel in it, surely.
Already done, champion.
Oh, you're a legend.
Already done. We're drone fishing. Cannot wait. I am breaking this no fish thing for the 50th time.
You just screwed it there.
So yeah, so it was they're heading up to drone fish, and they got a spot that they went to last time that they caught some pingies and they caught a mackie, and they got some big fish too. So we're just gonna I've got the swag I've actually got the swag in the car, Dylan, instead of on the roof.
What, in the back seat?
No, I put your front seat down and I've got from the front to the back, because I stood on your side step and I couldn't reach over the top of the swag to put it on the roof rack.
Lack of skill.
Lack of skill, totally different car. So I got the swag next to me. We're having a bit of a chat about keeping me warm tonight.
That's good.
So yeah, thanks for lending me your car, Dill.
Well, I guess it's a bit too late to say you can't use it. So.
No, it should be good. I will. I'll definitely get, hopefully, heaps of sick footage of the boys drone fishing, and see what comes out of it.
Alrighty then, too easy. Well, safe travels, bro, and you better catch a fish, I swear to God.
Have you had enough of me not catching fish yet?
Yeah, I'm over it, that's for sure.
Alright, well, let's break that little hoodoo, eh?
I agree, let's do it.
Alright, legend, have a good day at work.
I shall.
See you, brother. Bye.
Through me into the night. I'll make you holy and once it right.
So, not even on the beach yet. I have let Dylan's tyres down, right? And one of the camp boss was not right. That was like, did all four, sorted some stuff out the back, came back on the rim. Sort it out, Dylan. D-Wall. So this guy is, apart from Salty, this guy is like the drone legend. He catches massive amounts, mackies, snappers, all that sort of stuff. Not just up here, but everywhere.
It's hard to see this through your eyes. I'll turn my head when I think we're fine. It creeps back up into my mind. You hold my hand like it's the last time. I hold it tightly and never mind.
Man, one of the great days. 23 degrees today, 23 tomorrow. No wind. We are getting fish. Since I got here, they've already caught what did you catch? What did you catch already? Taylor and a flathead. They're only here like 10 minutes. I was driving up here. 2.8 metres for the Taylor or the flatty. I was only 10 minutes into them being here and I'm getting text, photos of fish and stuff like that. So hopefully that we can get some now. Good morning everyone, by the way. Get up, do well. It's on the go. Mix himself up a nice big Taylor. He's got the rod back in the water. Still plenty of weed around. Better than last night. But we've got the fire back going and look at this day. Beautiful. Need one of these bad boys to go off. All right. What are you doing, Devo? Are you droning this? Putting the drone up? What do you got there? Two what? Two half what? Half a mullet on the top. Blue Mackie down the bottom. Sets it up. Has it all ready. He'll go get the drone. Epic way to fish.
Let's go.
The distance that he takes it out, where to. Big fish just jumped out of the water there and this line just went off, so this is the drone that he uses. Basically everything sits off that little yellow hook. There's a lever on the side, and when he releases it, basically just it's all set up through the remote. There's a button on here that releases on the drone. Such a cool setup. Sturdy drone, that's for sure. Hey! Little Ray. Beautiful little guy. Done that before. Well handled. Well handled. That's it for another one. Weren't as lucky as we thought we were going to be. We still got a couple of big tailor. They caught a ray that they put back. A couple of herring and a flathead, but nothing big. They still got a line out 250 metres out there trying to get hold of something bigger, but just the way the cookie crumbles when you're fishing. But it was still a great night to come down and hit a different place and see something different. Unreal. See you in the next one.